Welcome to this step-by-step installation training for the NewTechWood composite fence gate. In this video, we'll show you how to properly install your new gate into an existing UltraEasy fence system. Before we begin, make sure you have all your parts and tools ready. You'll find a complete parts list inside your kit. You'll need a drill, measuring tape, level, gravel for drainage, and concrete. Please follow all safety instructions. A clean, smooth, flat, and strong surface is needed for proper installation. Always check with local building codes before installing any type of product. Once you know where your gate will go, measure 41 5/8 inches from center to center of where your gate posts will be installed. Dig 2 holes, each about 29.5 inches deep and around 9.5 inches wide. In colder regions, dig below the frost line as recommended by your local building codes. Add about 6 inches of gravel into the base of each hole. Before you insert the posts, determine which side of the doorway will have the hinges and which side will have the latch. Note that the side with the latch must use the post with the pre-engineered latch holes. And when you insert that latch post into the ground, the side with the holes must be on top. When you put the posts in the ground, make certain that the flat, non-grooved sides of the posts are facing into the doorway opening. The distance from the post top and the ground should be 74 13/16 inches. Then, pour the concrete evenly all the way around, up to about 2 inches from the top of the hole. Ensure the posts are perfectly level and allow the concrete to fully set before continuing. Once dry, backfill with soil. Next, determine on which side of the fence you want your gate to open and close. Choose the swing orientation of your hinges based on that chosen direction. To mount your hinges to the gate in the proper place, you will measure down from the top of the gate. Note that the bottom of the gate has pre-engineered drainage holes and the top does not. The top of the top hinge should be 7 7/8 inches from the top of the gate. Install all the hinges using number 6 screws. The top of the middle hinge should be 26 9/16 inches from the top of the gate, and the top of the bottom hinge should be 59 13/16 inches from the top of the gate. Mount the strike plate onto the post, allowing the latch to nest into the latch hole. Install using number 14 screws. Make sure that the latch in the lock case is facing the correct way. You can adjust if needed. Next, insert the lock case, part 9, and secure it with number 14 screws. Insert the handle spindle shaft. Insert the key cylinder, screwing it into place. Then install the handle using the number 12 screw system. Be sure to double check the latch orientation before final tightening. Set the gate into place using support blocks underneath. Adjust the block thickness until the latch can completely go into the strike plate lock hole, and make sure the gate is level. On the other side, secure the hinges to the hinge post using the number 6 screws. Test the swing of the gate, ensuring that the latch nests securely into place. Complete your installation by securing the post caps on top of each gate post. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your NewTechWood UltraEasy fence gate. For more information or additional project guides, visit newtechwood.com. Thanks for watching.